Healthy coils, conserving energy and extending refrigerator lifespan.
Here's your bill. How come you got a lower bill than mine?
Thanks, man. What do you mean?
I mean, you've got a lower bill than mine, even though we use the same number of appliances every day.
You sure you stopped using your aircon at night?
Yeah, I'm now using an electric fan just like you. You've been using your refrigerator 12 hours a day, right? How come there's a huge difference in our bill?
Man, maybe you've forgotten to clean your fridge.
What do you mean I've forgotten to clean my fridge? I've always wiped it inside out.
No, man. I'm referring to your coils.
What coils?
Your fridge coils, man. Here, I'll show you mine.
Wow, it's clean AF.
Now, I'll teach you how to clean your coils.
Step 1. Unplug your fridge. Always remember, don't pull from the wire. Pull from the plug. Repeat step 3 and 4 until it's clean. Lastly, after closing the panel, restart the fridge.
Wow, so that is your secret.
Well, I hope it would help.
Hey man, I was just wondering, is there any more reason why should I clean my fridge coils aside from lessening energy consumption?
Of course, I'll tell you its pros.
Proper food sanitation. Reduce bills payment. You can save more money. Helps save more energy. And extend the lifespan of your fridge.
Wow, it's like hitting many birds with one stone. Thank you man, now it's time for me to go home and clean my fridge.
See ya, man.